Mistakes were made. Oh boy, mistakes were made. So now we're outside waiting for the Amazon representative to deliver a part. I need a piece to fix my rear view mirror. It fell off, and if you're familiar with rear view mirrors, it has a metal piece glued on to the windshield. Now I got it the right orientation up and down, but it was flipped the wrong way. It has a groove, and now the metal piece is stuck on the windshield and I can't clip the mirror back on. So my plan, I'm gonna order, or I ordered another piece, hopefully it fits, and I'm gonna glue that new piece to the old piece the correct way. And hopefully it works so we can have a mirror back. But in the process, I found out my alarm was broken. It has an antenna, which has a cool little blinking light. So that broke. The wires were corroded. The insulation came off because of the sun, because the windshield's hot. So now I need a new alarm, or get the Viper alarm uninstalled and go back to the factory so I can have a remote skin to open a door, because I'm lazy. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.